Hey Cam fam, welcome back to Keeping Up with Cam. So today's video is our Toddler Boy Hairstyle video number 28, and in this video we're actually showing you guys the hairstyle that we did for Cam for his third birthday. Yes, so we did this a couple days in advance because we wanted to get pictures and stuff done, but this is the style that he will have in his hair for his birthday. So we want to start off by saying thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. If you're a returning subby, we love you so much. If you are new here, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. Also hit that bell icon beside it. That way you'll be notified when we post our new videos. Thumbs up this video if you like it, which we hope you do. Hit us down in the comment section below. Let us know if you like this style, if you've tried it, if you have any questions, comments, concern, or recommendations. And please don't forget to share this video with your family and friends, and hit us up on our social media page. You will see the link right over there. Do you guys see what I have in my hand right now? Yeah, that is a blow dryer. I will be using this on Cam's hair today. This is a really good blow dryer. This is actually a newer one that I've been using. The only thing is this piece, it doesn't come with a comb attachment. I have no idea why. It comes with everything under the sun but a comb. So I had to use my own. I used some tape, don't judge me. It has pressure settings, heat settings, and then that's the cold button right there, which I will be using the entire time. So I started with the ends and I worked my way to the root. I am being gentle. Don't mind Cam. He's actually just kind of a little afraid, I would say, because I've never put a blow dryer in his hair before. But guys, please be mindful that I am using this blow dryer in his hair on cold the whole time. There is no heat in his hair. It is all cold air. I'm just using it because I want to get his hair straight as I can, as blown out as I can, so that this style will stay straight, won't curl up. So I just thought that this might be an avenue that I could go to kind of help me get the results and the longevity out of a style that I've been looking for. So this is my little lion all blown out. Don't mind the yogurt on his face. But yeah, this is what his hair looked like on a cold blowout. So we are starting off as usual by parting our hair down the middle. We're going to section it off into two. I like to, I guess, work in symmetry. I do one side and then I start on the other side and just try and make them look as much alike as I can. So someone recommended down in the comment section that I should use this Shine and Jam, so I'm giving it a shot as a replacement for the Frizz control paste. I will say this is my second time using it. The first time was used with another product, and that product, ooh, y'all, I have a story for you. Don't worry, you will hear about it in the next video. But this product, I can say, does work really well. It's more of a collect the hair and make it look neat type of product than really like a gel and hold something in place, because by the time I was done the style, it wasn't like laid, but the hair was neat. There was no residual effects of this. I haven't seen it do anything bad to his hair, so I don't think it's harsh. It's working perfectly for me so far, so no complaints. What I was told to do with it is put some on each section that I'm trying to part. It'll help me part it a lot straighter and a lot easier. And it does that. As you can see, I just take a little bit, I put it on that section, and then I use the end of the tail comb and I part it out, and it's just like the easiest thing ever. So thank you so much to that subby who let me know in the comment section that this is a trick that I could use. Look at that. Just put a little bit. You don't even have to put a lot. You could put more than this. Honestly, I just like to be a little cautious when I'm using new products in his hair, just to make sure that doesn't do anything crazy. You smooth it in and you go in and you just part, and it's just like It's like butter. It's like putting a knife through some nice soft butter. So for these mini single braids, I'm just going through and just kind of getting in as many as I possibly can. I am trying to keep them with a box part. Now when it gets to the top, it's a little bit trickier to keep that box, but I am trying to keep that constant throughout. As you can even just see there, you do it straight and in like a minute it's trying to curl back up. His hair refuses to be straight. I don't know why. But what I am doing is I'm putting those little silver clips. You probably use them when you're like doing roller sets at the salon. I put those at the ends just to try and keep it straight. I saw that with somebody who was like retwisting locks, and I'm like, oh, this seems like a really smart technique. Let me see if it works. And it did as I was braiding, but I mean, his hair just says, I am not the one or the two when it comes to staying straight. So it eventually did curl back up, but that was like way after the fact. These braids honestly have really let me see like the length that I've got with Cam's hair over the years, like compared to the first video of when we did box braids on him to now. His hair has definitely grown. At one point I was like, I feel like his hair is getting shorter, but what I realized is he's getting bigger. So the taller they get, you know, the further or the less far down their back the hair is, because now you're tall. So that's what I was seeing, because I'm like, I know his hair's not breaking off. Like, why does it look like it's getting shorter? So yeah, so that's what I'm realizing. My child's growing, guys. He is 3. Oh, it's crazy. Time is really flying. But I'm just so happy that he still, you know, sits really well for me to braid. He doesn't give me much issue, and I'm just still getting all these amazing styles out of him. So it's just an amazing thing, and we're just so happy that you guys are really enjoying these videos. Alright, so this is kind of like halfway through the back. You can see the braids that I've done already, and then I'm just showing you what my part sections are looking like for the rest of his hair. I should have done the parting to begin with, but I was like, oh, I'll just go as I go. But to try and get the sizes like to be consistent and to get the parts to be consistent, I would recommend parting like beforehand, before you even start, just to make it easier on yourself in the long run. But you can also be like me and part as you go. Either way, it's going to give you the same result. But you know, when we have kids that get impatient, we want to try and get the easiest, quickest method to make sure that we get these styles done so they look super, super cute, but they're also not super, super annoyed with us. I don't know if it's really been showing yet. I think it may show more towards the end of the video, but I'm also putting a dab of the Shine and Jam on the ends of the hair. I figured that it would help keep it straight, because this isn't like eco styler or those type of gels where it's like water based, so it's not gonna turn the hair back straight. It's not gonna make it, you know, curl up or anything like that. So I figured this would be a great little bonus technique. I again did not put a lot because, like I said, I don't like to put too much product in hair. So I find that that also did help. I just feel like Cam's hair is the most stubborn and curl loving hair ever. So no matter what technique or what pile of techniques that I use, it's still gonna curl up. It's kind of inevitable at this point. But these are techniques that you guys can try that'll probably help you guys out and give you better results, or not better results, more long lasting results than we did than we got over here. I will say that this style by no means worked up quickly. Okay? I may have made this one of the, you know, more average length or, you know, type of videos, but let me tell you, this took me like a good portion of the day. I did the first half while he was in the chair, gave him a lunch break, gave him, you know, a runaround break, and then I did the second half sitting on the couch. I just had to give him a little more space, freedom. Like, I knew this was going to be a longer style, and I couldn't have him sitting in that high chair that whole time. So he sat really well for the beginning, and I'm super, super proud of him. But yeah, this style, guys, is gonna take you some time. So have your day prepared, have your snacks, have your shows, have your artillery ready to keep these kitties from freaking out. Okay, so now that we've gotten to the front, I ran into the situation that, like, I could do different ways to part it. Like, I could have parted that section right there and then kind of gone through with 2 rows there, or I could part it horizontally. I can leave that one piece in the middle. It really just all depends on how you want the hair to frame their face and what you're looking for. So I ended up going with the kind of horizontally type thing and I used the I left that one piece in the middle. Honestly, guys, he was getting to that point of like, okay, mom, I need to get up, like let me live, let me do my thing. So I had to like rush it and get through it. But as you can see with the front piece here, I am just cornering it down just a little bit at the front so that it lays flat and it stays out of his face, and it knows its place. It knows like, okay, this is how I need to be. It just makes the style a lot easier and a lot nicer for the kids, so they're not as flustered. Like, as you can see, Cam is always swatting at his face, and I'm convinced it's because of his eyelashes. I think he's really uncomfortable with the fact that like he can see his lashes. He thinks it's like hair in the way, so he's always swatting his face. Poor kid. But this is the finished half. I was in love at this point. I was like, oh my gosh, he's so cute. And our final look. Yes, guys, this is what we had when we were done. Absolutely love it. It was not a quick style, I will tell you that, but it was a really, really nice style to do. Make sure when you're done, you guys put on a do-rag or a bandana or something just to help the hair lay flat, especially the front, so it's not framing their face as much. But other than that, you can go ahead and put elastics at the end if you'd like. I just didn't want to put so many elastics in his hair, so I didn't put any at the ends. Make sure you guys put your oil in their scalp to make sure that the style stays as long as possible. Tie it up as much as you can. We want longevity, and try and keep this as long as you can. That way it really is that the best type of protective style that we can do for them. So someone did ask for still pictures. I will be putting the still pictures of this style along with the others that we do on our Instagram page, so don't forget to hit us up there. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning into all of our videos. We appreciate and love you guys so much. Thanks for celebrating Cam's birthday by watching this video. Thumbs up this video if you like it. Hit us in the comment section below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And we are so thankful, like I said, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye!